So students, today we already started the chapter more about air. So in this chapter I have explained you about the air, that we can't see the air, we only feel the air. An example also, I have given you many examples how you feel the air. When you ride the bicycle, you can see that opposite some air is pushing you from front side, or when you run in playground, on that time also you can see. For all this thing we can see, we can know that air is there. But air is very necessary, you all are knowing, for us. Why? Because we take in oxygen. Oxygen is also a what? Air. And we give out carbon dioxide, that is also air. So without air, life is not possible. So in earth, air is very necessary and water is also very necessary. So students, today we will know about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? You are learning from class 3 about atmosphere, that in this place atmosphere is like this way, other place atmosphere is this thing you are hearing from there. So today you will know what is atmosphere. The air that surrounds the earth and is all around you is called atmosphere. Okay, the air that surround the earth. So in earth air is there. So air that surrounding the earth. Okay, you are living here in your Hazaribagh. So air that surrounding in that particular place. Okay, surround the earth in all around, whole area is surrounding is called, that is known as what? Atmosphere. Okay, the earth atmosphere is thicker near the earth's surface. The earth atmosphere is what? It is thicker near the earth's surface. It becomes thinner as we go up. So we are living in this earth. So for this earth atmosphere, what is that? The earth atmosphere is thicker. It is thicker. Thick means you know, it is thicker near the earth's surface. Near the earth's surface where you are living, that surface atmosphere is what? Earth atmosphere is thicker. Okay, in that surface earth atmosphere is what? Thicker surface. It becomes thinner. This atmosphere becomes thinner when we move up. When we go up, atmosphere become what? Thinner. As the atmosphere becomes thinner, the amount of oxygen in it is also decreased. So as atmosphere it become, when we go up, atmosphere become thinner, and on that time what happen? Oxygen also become there, decrease. In that part oxygen what happen? It decrease. Downer part sufficient, you can get the oxygen. As you go up, oxygen becomes decrease. Okay, it is for this reason the mountaineer, you can see that those who travel in mountain, okay, mountaineer carry oxygen cylinder. What they carry? They carry oxygen cylinder when they climb high the mountain. For that reason, because atmosphere there, atmosphere is downer part atmosphere is more, okay, more air is there. When you going up, it is, what is that? It is a thinner. Okay, when you go up, it is a thinner. So what happened? The amount of oxygen is more when you are in down, when it is near the earth surface. And when you move up, the amount of oxygen also decrease. The amount of oxygen also decrease. So what we see that mountaineer, when mountaineer they climb the mountain, so atmosphere their oxygen is less, so they carry, what they carry? They carry cylinder, oxygen cylinder with them, because they need oxygen on that time for breathing. So they carry their oxygen cylinder when they climb the high mountain. The earth gravity keep the atmosphere in place. So what does earth gravity do? The earth gravity keeps the atmosphere in place. So it is clear to you all about the atmosphere. So students, what you have learned? Today you have learned about the atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? The air that surround the earth and all around you is called the atmosphere. This earth surround the earth around you, that is known as an atmosphere. Wherever you are living here, it is air is surrounding all over here. So it is the atmospheric weather of Hazaribagh you are knowing. Now it is hot or cold, for that you are knowing. And when that year, the earth atmosphere is what? Thicker when earth near the earth's surface. Down atmosphere is very good there. It is thicker. Oxygen also, sufficient amount of oxygen we can get, and what happened, we can use that oxygen nicely. And if we move up, then what happened there? That atmosphere become there thinner. Atmosphere become what? Thinner when you move upward. When you will go up, then what happened there? Atmosphere become there thinner. So you have seen that the people who are climbing the mountain, what they do? They carry the oxygen cylinder with them. Why? Because oxygen is less. When you move up to the earth, then oxygen also it become less. Downer, oxygen is sufficient amount of oxygen you can get. So when they move upper, then what happen? Oxygen is less, so they carry the oxygen with them to survive nicely. Okay? The earth gravity keep the atmosphere in place. What does earth gravity do? The earth gravity keep the atmosphere in place. Okay? Earth gravity keep the atmosphere in place. So students, today you have learned about the atmosphere. Next class I will tell you about the layers of atmosphere. Today this much only. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Okay.